Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best car seats for 4-year-olds on Amazon. Having a proper car seat for your child's age is more than a matter of safety, it's the law. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Kidsembra's Harness Booster Seat. With 4-year-olds, the small things count for a lot. The Kids Embrace Harness Booster Seat lets you jazz up the decor, keep kids interested, and ensure safety at the same time. Though it comes at a higher price point, this is clearly due to the design. With Marvel-inspired characters, there is everything from Spider-Man to the Incredible Hulk. In terms of function, the 5-point harness is well designed. You can switch it within 3 different settings, maximizing utility. It works for children that are as heavy as 100 pounds in booster seat mode and up to 65 pounds as a forward-facing seat. The headrest is adjustable too, letting you easily switch between modes. Crafted with high-grade foam meant to absorb impact, this seat is definitely a high-grade option. It's worth noting, though, that the fabric, especially the design parts, are easy to stain and kids' interest can sway with time. However, as a functional car seat, this is a great option. Number 2. Chico KidFit Booster Seat. This Chico KidFit Booster Seat is a good direction to take. You can get it in a range of different colors, all relatively muted to mask any potential spills or stains. Meant to fit alongside other car seats, this option has cup holders built into the structure. Retractable to add space, they protrude only a little past the armrests. In terms of safety, this seat has a user-friendly harness system which also retracts. The seat can take up to 110 pounds when used as a booster and up to 100 pounds as a forward-facing seat. Ideal for growing 4-year-olds, this seat is made to last. All parts are easy to maintain, with both the cover and armrest padding coming off for easy machine washing. It's worth noting that, while this seat is super easy to clean, it cannot be machine dried. The shrinkage could result in the cover not fitting back into place. Number 3. Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat. This car seat prioritizes the safety of your child during car journeys. The forward-facing harness mode is designed for children weighing between 30 and 65 pounds, providing a secure 5-point harness system that ensures proper restraint and protection. As your child grows, the seat can transition into a belt positioning booster mode for children weighing between 40 and 120 pounds, offering a reliable and comfortable fit. This versatile booster seat is built to adapt to the changing needs of your child. With its adjustable headrest and harness height positions, it allows for a customized fit as your child grows taller. This feature ensures both safety and comfort, accommodating your child's individual size and proportions. Parents know that messes are inevitable, but the Safety First Grand 2-in-1 Booster Car Seat makes cleanup a breeze. The seat pad is removable and machine washable, allowing you to quickly and effortlessly clean any spills or stains. Additionally, the smooth surfaces and wipeable materials make day-to-day maintenance hassle-free. Number 4. Graco Turbo Booster Highback Booster Seat. The Graco Turbo Booster Highback Booster Seat is designed with your child's comfort in mind. It features a padded seat and adjustable headrest, allowing for a customized fit as your child grows. The plush materials provide a cozy and enjoyable seating experience, even on long journeys. Installing the Graco Turbo Booster Highback Booster Seat is a breeze. It comes with a straightforward installation process, and the seat belt positioning is simple and intuitive. The seat securely attaches to your vehicle's seat, ensuring stability and minimizing movement during travel. The Graco Turbo Booster Highback Booster Seat is built to withstand the test of time. Constructed with durable materials and solid craftsmanship, this booster seat offers long-lasting performance, ensuring it remains a reliable safety companion for your child. Number 5. Graco Affix Highback Booster Seat. This booster seat is recommended for children who are between 40 and 100 pounds and 57 inches tall. The latch system securely attaches it to the seat in the vehicle, and it's designed so your child can lock the buckle herself. The adjustable headrest has several layers of material for comfort and full coverage back support. It's designed with energy-absorbing foam for safety. The seat includes a cup holder and a hideaway storage compartment that can hold small items. The seat is also Graco Protect Plus engineered and has undergone crash tests to meet requirements in frontal, side, rear, and rollover crashes. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products